cut a new trail through the pines down here in the woods. We built a new bridge where we dropped some hardwood hickory down and put some 2x6s treated across the creek that we got running through the property. A little over a mile trail, but I'm only going to give you a little part of it real quick to show you what the new bridge is. Trail forks off up here into a couple different areas. We're going to go through the area we just built. So there is a little, sorry for the bumpiness. We're going to go through the area we just cut the trail into to the creek. So we can get down there real quick. Again, brand new trail. Didn't have to cut much in the way of trees. High hills and bluffs. Freshwater spring that runs through the creek down here. The bumpiness goes away here in a minute. You can get through the video. We're almost there. Again, this is all cut today. Did this work today, moving the limbs out of the way. Now, it's a pretty steep drop. So, see up here, we're going down pretty quick. Couple drops, 50 or so feet down. Working my way down now. Here's the bridge part. Cut a tree down, hardwood tree, nailed those 2x6s up on it. See if we can get through it now. I'm going to try to do this with one hand, so we'll see how it goes. Again, I've been across it all day. Pretty good little run there. Now we're on the back on some easier stuff here, some easier terrain, little high line that runs through the property. Again, when you're going about 15 or 20 miles an hour, it's a heck of a little run. A lot of good little spin out here and here. I won't do that. Video don't look good. One of my favorite parts is this little dip down and around doing about 20. You got to learn how to balance yourself. See the slant doing kind of 40-degree angle there. Man-made freshwater pond. Right out to the right here. Right across a man-made dam. It keeps all water in. It's about 30 foot deep. That's the part back up the ways where the creek